Hey everyone, welcome to Elevate Beauty Company. My name is Summer and today I'm going to be unboxing the Hot Tools One Step Blowout. You guys know that I love a one-step blowout styling tool. I love my Revlon. I have also reviewed the Dry Bar one that they just released, and so I've heard really good things about the Hot Tools one. I can't get it open though. That's step number one, open box. Hashtag fail. What in the world? It's like Fort Knox. Oh, look at that. Oh, well that's fun. Are you ready? Ready? Look at how easy it is to open. What a great box. Not too bad. It is really in there. They do not want you to get this out easily. Let me tell you. Okay. I did it. Okay. Step one, success. We unboxed. Okay, so here, oh, this is nice, you guys. It's got this really pretty metallic detail on it. It says Hot Tools Professional right here. Three-step, oh, there we go. Three-step heat. This one retails for $69.99. I found it on Amazon. Sometimes you can find the deals on Amazon. You can also use your red card at Target, get it 5% off. I love that the handle is like super smooth. It's got like a matte finish on it, almost like a non-slip extra grip handle. It is an oval shape like this. So it's to give you, they shape it like this to give you extra volume. It does have the two kinds of bristles like the other stylers do. And it's about the same size. So we are gonna check it out. We're gonna put it head to head with the Revlon. I'll link that in the next video and we'll take a look and see how it performs.